Hello, in this tutorial we will learn how to interpret and use assembly guides. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to create groups and generate assembly instructions quickly and easily. But how do we use these instructions? When you generate them, the first thing you'll see are the checkboxes to filter the view. From there, you can enable the angles you want to display and hide the others, focusing only on what you need. These views depend on the orientation in which you created your design. To explain this tutorial to you, I will leave only this checkbox selected. Next, you'll see two icons. One lets you export your instructions as a PDF and the other as images. After that, you'll see the assembly instructions. At first, they might seem a bit confusing, but I'll explain step by step how to interpret them. The first thing you need to understand are the connection points. These points appear on the elements of your design and serve as a reference to identify the anchor coordinates, both horizontally and vertically. The second thing you should consider is that the system will assign a name to each element. For example, this element was named P5 and is connected to P3, P11, and P4. You will also be able to see the name of the piece in the system and its length. With this information clear, now let's interpret a connection coordinate. For example, element P11. Its anchor point is 1.75 inches in the horizontal direction and 0.75 inches in the vertical direction from its connection point. This element connects with P5, whose anchor point is also 1.75 inches horizontally and 13.5 inches vertically from its connection point.
By combining both coordinates, we get the anchor point for the two profiles.
Remember, if you're not sure which part of your design you're looking at, you'll find a 3D map in the lower right corner to help you orient yourself. With all this information, you can now interpret your assembly instructions and bring your design to life.